Hello dear friends. Today we will learn how to open links in app even if they are not installed in Android. Follow the steps to do so. Method 1. Tap on settings icon. Tap on apps. Select default apps. Tap on opening links. Here you find instant apps on the top. Turn on this option. Tap on instant apps preferences. Make sure that this setting is turned on. Method 2. Tap on Play Store icon. Tap on your profile pic. Select Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Google Play Instant. Make sure that Upgrade Web Links is turned on. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching the video.